Imagine a future where we can achieve food security in our large and densely populated urban cities. But how do we do it? With ease. Ease provides an alternative protein source in our diet through snacking. Start your journey towards food security by slotting in the cartridge. Press the plunger button to puncture the heat-sealed cartridge. Plug in the USB-C cable into ease. Touch and hold on the power button for 3 seconds to power it up. Leave it for a few days for the larvae to crawl upwards and ease will passively cook your snacks for you. Once the dispensing ring lights up, insert your hands through the opening and voila! A delicious protein snack ready for you to enjoy. Secure our future with ease.